We think, we move, and we think, we do.
Thinking equal, move green. Let's do it together.
It was really exciting to hear the vision of Yutong, because it's a vision that we share in our business as a company. It really is a perfect match to what we see as our business and the journey that we're on, which is to really protect the environment, which is to really show that transportation is indeed a force for good. And as clients and suppliers, we are all working to really promote the green planet that we live on, and to do it in such a way that makes transportation a very inspiring business to be involved in, and a business that's really forward thinking